Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and staying safe with your family. Welcome back to the maths class. I'm your Indu ma'am. As chapter 5 measurement is going on. Till now you had done. Let's begin. Let's find out comparing lengths and let's try one. Today we will do comparing heights, page 79. High and low, and let's try to page 80. Lesson objectives are to learn to compare the height of given objects and to explain the terms high and low. Now open page 79 of your maths coursebook. Write down here today's date. Let's find out comparing heights. We have learnt that when we measure along a sleeping line, we refer to it as long. For example, when we measure scale and matchstick in sleeping line, we refer it to as long. When we measure along a standing line, it is called height. Students, when we refer to the height of any person or thing, we use the word tall and short. For example, when we refer the height of these boys, we can say Chintu is short and Pintu is tall. Compare two objects or animals. When we compare the height of two persons, animals or things, we use the word taller and shorter. You can see here, this one is taller, this one is shorter, this one is shorter and this one is taller. Compare more than two persons. Who is the tallest? Tick your answer in the space below. So students, tell me who is the tallest of them all? Yes, Mintu. So tick in the given space. Now come to the page 80. See the picture? When we compare the height of three or more things, we use the word tallest and shortest. Here we are going to compare the height of these boys. Chintu is tall. Pintu is taller than Chintu. Mintu is the tallest of them all. Or you can say Mintu is short. Pintu is shorter than Mintu. Chintu is the shortest them all. Here Mintu is the tallest and Chintu is the shortest of them all. Let's read next. High and low. Help the kite know where to go. Look at the picture. The kite can be made to fly high up in the sky, or it can be held tightly and kept low. Students, in this picture you can see the green kite is at higher place and the red kite is at lower place as compared to the green kite. So we use the word high and low. Students, do you like to fly kite? How do you feel when you fly it? Happy. Okay, listen one thing. Next time when you fly kite, आपको अकेले टेरेस पर नहीं जाना because it can be risky for you. आपको चोट लग सकती है. Okay? So be careful. Let's try 2. Look at the buildings and answer the following questions. A part. Which building is the tallest? Look at the picture. Yes, the second building. So, write here 2. See next. Which building is the shortest? Look at the picture again. First building. So, write here 1. Question 2. Identify and write high and low in the given pictures. Students, in first picture you can see cat is sitting on the tree. It means at higher place. So write here high. Now see the dog. It is standing under the tree. Means at lower place. So here we write low. Now see this second picture. Where is the cat? At higher place. So write here high. And where is the dog? At lower place. So write here low. Students, I hope you have understood the concept. It's my humble request to the parents, kindly help their kid in reading Comparing Heights, page 79, High and Low, page 80, and students, you have to complete Let's Try 2. That's all for the day. Kindly follow the given instructions. Stay home, stay safe. Bye-bye.